Frisco.
Some cars are having a hell of a time getting around today. We just watched a rental vehicle go the wrong way down a street and he couldn't hardly move. But why somebody would come up here to the high country of Colorado in a little Daewoo, beyond me.
Because it's cheaper and they don't want to pay for four-wheel drive, and they think that they're smarter than the people who are renting them the car, telling them to get four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Anybody I know that comes up here, the first thing I tell them is four-wheel drive is non-negotiable. Skip a night of dinner, just get a four-wheel drive and be done with it. You will thank me. You can't even hardly see the road. My mother's gonna look. Actually, both my parents will look at this video and go, you can keep it. Grab. It's pretty though.
It's very pretty.
You know, snowshoeing is going to be a bitch tomorrow.
Because it's so powdery.
Because it's so deep.
Well, we'll see what happens.
See, the funny part is, I'm doing 50 mile an hour like it's nothing. And you get all these tourists up here that are doing like 10. Scared shitless.
There should be a happy medium, because at 50, he's going to hit the car in front of him if he hits his brakes.
I am not. Because he'll be sliding just as fast as I am. If I keep my foot in it.
No, we are not playing slide around the corner.
The hell we're not, we just did.
Glad you find that amusing.
I love driving in snow.
Yes, but driving in snow and dying in snow are two completely different things.
You're not going to die at 15 mile an hour sideways.
If you roll the truck, it's quite possible.
You're not going to roll the truck. If anything, you're going to go in a snowbank and get stuck.
I don't want to do that either.
We're going to snatch strap. Just wait for an oncoming bus and be like, hey, can I get a lift?
And they'll say, no, we have other people who were smart in taking the bus today and not driving.
Yeah.